Welcome to the Quantum and Beyond podcast, where I make quantum physics personal to you. So on today's episode, we are going to talk about a little known equation called the Schrödinger equation. Cue the math trauma. I get it. But this is just going to be a relaxing episode where you get to learn a little bit more about why this little known equation is actually extremely important to everything. So grab your tea, grab your coffee, and let's just sit down and have a little chat. So we're going to begin in a place where you might not even have thought of, and that, ladies and gentlemen, and sibs, are my tattoos. So I have 3, 2 of which are the Schrödinger equation, and the other one I'll save for another episode, but it is related to the Schrödinger equation. So the Schrödinger equation is composed of 3 parts. It's total energy, kinetic energy, and potential energy. Total energy, just as it sounds, it's literally just energy. So now you might be wondering, what does this have to do with the Schrödinger equation? Well, it has to do with the 3 parts that I just described. All things, all atoms, all electrons, all protons, all neutrons, all people, all objects, everything has energy. So now that we have this picture in our minds, we're sitting on top of our sled, we're at potential energy stage, we slide down the hill, we are moving until we reach the bottom of that hill. That's the kinetic energy stage. We have our 2 parts, you add them together, equals the total energy. Now, here's the equation. Now, hold on. I get it. Math trauma is coming up. I myself also had math trauma growing up and going through school to get my physics degree. So the way that I handle math trauma is I take something that seems super complicated and I just break it down into parts. Here is potential energy, and we represent it with these symbols and letters. Then the next part is the kinetic energy. Now you're seeing a whole lot of letters and symbols and whatever. Don't worry about that. The main thing is that this section represents kinetic energy. You have these 2 parts. Add them together, you get your equal sign, and then finally, you get your total energy. So you might be wondering, well, that's great, but why would you tattoo that? It's because it's gorgeous. I love the way the symbols look, the curvature of the integral sign, the sweeping curves of the funny looking D's. We call those derivatives. And I love the fact that when you put all of these different symbols together, it means something. And why does it mean something? Because math is a language. And so with that, I close out this episode. Please like, share, subscribe, tell all your friends, come on over to the quantum community so we can go be quantum together.